Hello everyone. Today let us study with new concept and it's a prime factorization. But what is prime factorization? Prime factorization is to write a number as a product of its prime number. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of a primes. Factor of a number which are prime are called prime factors. And there is two methods to find the prime factors of any number, and that is division method and multiplication method. Two methods are there. By division and by multiplication we can find the prime factors of any numbers. Let's take 12 first. We break this number into two numbers. We know 2 6 are 12. But 6 is a composite number, so we can break again this 6 into 2. We can break this 6 into 2 3s are 6. So 2, 2 and 3. These three are the prime numbers. 2 is a prime number. This 2 is a prime number and this 3 is also a prime number. So every composite number can be expressed as a product of a prime numbers. We know that this 2, 2 and 3. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 4 and 4 into 3 we will get 12. So these 2, 2 and 3 are the prime numbers. So we can break up a number into these prime numbers and it is called the prime factorization, expressed as a product of a prime numbers. Let's take other number 18. 18 is a composite number. Why it is composite? Because it has more than two factors. Now we can break up into first 2 9s are 18. Okay, 2 is a prime number but 9 is not a prime number, it is a composite number. We can break this 9. So let's break again 2 and 9 as a 3 3s are 9. So this 2, 3 and 3 we break up 18 into these prime numbers. 2 into 3 into 3. So these 2 into 3 into 3 is called the prime factors of 18 and this method is called prime factorization. 2 into 3 into 3 we will get the product 18 and this is the prime factor of 18. Now there are two methods to find out prime factors. Division method and multiplication method. Multiplication methods we know very well. We did just now. Once again, let's take other number 20. Okay. Now we break 20 into two numbers. First, how we can take? First we will check it is even or odd. It is even number. So we can divide this number by 2. We know that 2 tens are 20. Now 2 is a prime number but 10 is a composite number. So we break this 10 again. Okay. So first we will write 2 as it is, then multiplication and we will break this 10. 2 5s are 10. Okay. So now prime number we will check. 2 is a prime, 2 is a prime and this 5 is also a prime. So we get these prime factors of 20. 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. Yes, we got the answer. So these are the prime factors of 20. This is the multiplication method. Let's take other number 16. Okay, 16 is an even number. So we can divide it by 2 and we knows very well 2 8s are 16. Now 2 is a prime. So we will write 2 as it is. Multiplication method and then we will break the 8. Now 8, so we'll write first 2 because it is even number. 2 4s are 8. Once again 2 8s are 16. Then we got 16. Then once again we write 2 as it is but we will break the composite number. So 8 के 2 parts किए, 2 4s are 8. Then once again, first which is the composite, we will underline it. Now 2 prime numbers we got, 2 into 2. Multiply. Now we will break this 4. 4 how we will break? 2 2s are 4. Now let's check again. Is there any composite number? 2 is a prime, this 2 is a prime, 2 and 2, yes, all are the prime numbers. So we will stop now, and we know that these are the prime factors of 16. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, and 8 into 2 16. So this is the multiplication method to find out the prime factors. Let's take other number 27. Now 27 we will check it even or odd. It is even number, odd number. So it cannot divide by 2, but 3 से divide हो सकता है. It is smaller number, so easily we can guess 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 9 3s are 27. Now we will see this is the prime number, but which is the composite number? 9. So we will underline it. Then once again we will write prime as it is, multiply by. Now we will break this 9. 9 we will break it into 3 into 3 9. Now let's check any composite number is there. 3 3 and 3 all are the prime numbers. So we will stop. So 3 into 3 9 and 9 into 3 27. So these are the prime factors of 27. 3 into 3 into 3. These are the prime factors of 27. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. These are the prime factors of 16. And these 2 into 2 into 5 are the prime factors of 20. So this is the multiplication method. In multiplication method, we can use factor tree also. It is also same, equal to only. So factor tree method and multiplication method, both are you can use. Now prime factorization using division method. In this method we will use repeated division. Let's take first 20 only. Okay, 20 numbers. So first we will write 20, and at left side of that number we will draw a line. Left side we will draw a line. Then we will check it is even or odd. Same. Okay, even or odd, it is the even number. So this number can divide by 2, and yes, we knows very well it is 2 10s are 20. 2 10s are 20. How to write? At left side we will write only prime numbers. Left side which numbers? Only prime numbers. 2 10s are 20. We will write again. Let's 2 10s are 20. ओके, ये दोनों की प्रोडक्ट, ये दोनों का आंसर 20 आना चाहिए. 10 2s are 20. Left side we will write only prime numbers. Now next 20 का turn over, then 10. We will break this 10 into two numbers. Okay, but we will check it is even or odd. It is even number, so 2 से divide हो सकता है. Let's check 10 कैसे divide हो सकता है 2 से. Yes, 2 5s are 10. Okay, 2 5s are 10. Both are the prime numbers, but we will write as ascending order. We'll write 2 first. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. We will write at left side the prime numbers. Okay, now we will draw a line. Now 5 is a prime number. When we will reach at the prime number, that time we will stop. Now 5 1s are 5. At last compulsory 1 आना चाहिए. Okay, so 2 into 2 4 into 5 20. We got the answer. And how to write the prime factors? 20 is equal to, we will write the left side, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. So these are the prime factors of this 20. So this is the division method and this is the multiplication method. Repeated division and this is the repeated multiplication. Okay, these two methods are there. Let's take other number 16. Okay, 16 at which side? At left side we will draw a line. First we will draw a line at left side of the number. Now it is the even number. So 16 can divide by 2. 2 के टेबल में 16, yes, 2 8s are 16. So here which number we will write? Prime number. Which is the prime number? 2. So 2 we will write here, 2 8s are. 2 8s are 16. Once again, 2 8s are 16. We will write the product here, 2 8s are 16. Then draw a line, once again 8. Next 8. Now 8 is even or odd? It is even number. So it can divide by 2. So 8 2 से divide हो सकता है? Yes, 2 4s are 8. So once again we will write the prime number at which side? At the left side. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Then draw the line. 4. It is easy. 2 2s are 4. So both are the prime numbers. We will write 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Now we reach at the prime numbers at last. So what we will do? 2 2s are 1. 2 1s are 2. Sorry, 2 1s are 2. So now at last we reach here. 1 we got. So we will stop here and we will write the prime factors of 16. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. Okay. So 2 into 2 4. 4 into 2 8. 8 into 2 16. So these are the prime factors of 16. So factors of a number. Factors of a number which are prime. Which are prime are called the prime factors. These are the prime factors of these numbers. We break up this number into these prime numbers. We break up 20 into these prime numbers, 16 into this prime number. Okay, and two method, multiplication method and division method. Let's take other example of division method. We will take 18. Okay, 18. Now first we will write 18 and left side we will draw a line. Now 18. 18 is even or odd? It is even number. So we can break this 18 into 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Now what we will write at left side? Yes, this prime number 2. 2 we will write here and 9 we will write downside. 2 9s are 18. Once again 2 9s are 18. Then draw a line. Now 9. 9 is an even number or odd number? 9 is an odd number. So it cannot divide by 2. But 3 से divide हो सकता है. Yes. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Both are the prime numbers. So we will write 3 3s are 9. 3 into 3 9. ये दोनों नंबर का आंसर ये होना चाहिए. 3 3s are 9. 2 9s are 18. Now we reach at the prime numbers. So 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. At last we should get 1. 3 1s are 3. So we will stop when we will reach the prime numbers and we'll write 18 is equal to 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. So these are the prime factors of 18. Let's take next number 49. Now we will write first the number and which side? At left side we will draw the line. Now 49. 49 is a even or odd? It's a odd number. Okay. Unit place, ones place is a odd. So this number is a odd number. So we will check the divisibility. We will use the divisibility here. ये 2 से divide नहीं हो सकता, 3 से divide हो सकता है. To check what we will see? Divisibility of 3, 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 it's a 13. 13 cannot divide by 3. 4 plus 9 13. So 13 3 से divide नहीं हो सकता without remainder. सो 3 पॉसिबल नहीं है. 5, डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 5. यूनिट प्लेस वन प्लेस शुड बी 0 और 5. ये तो 9 है. सो दिस नंबर कैन नॉट डिवाइड बाय 5. सो 7, yes, we know 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49 and both are the prime numbers. So we will write here 7 sevens are 49. Now 7 is a prime number. When we will reach at the prime number, we will write 7 ones are 7 because it has only two factors, that number and 1. Okay, that number itself and 1. So 7 ones are 7. So we will write here factors of 49 are 7 into 7. Only two factors are there. Next number 40. Okay. So we will write 40 first here and we will draw the line at left side. Now we will check it is even number or odd number. It is the even number. So it can divide by 2. So 40 2 से divide हो सकता है. Yes, we knows 2 20s are 40. 2 2s are 4. So 2 20s are 40. So let's write here which number we will write. Left side only prime numbers. So 2 20s are 40. 2 20s are 40. Then draw the line. Now 20 is turn. 20 is a even or odd? It is the even number. So it can divide by 2. So 2 10s are 20. Yes, we got the number. 2 10s are 20. So once again we will write this prime number at left side and 10 down side. 2 10s are 20. Again 10's turn. 10 is an even number. So we know 2 5s are 10. Both are the prime number, but we will go ascending order. We will go ascending order wise. So 2 we will write first and 5 downside. 2 5s are 10. Now 5 is a prime number and 5 has only two factors, 5 and 1. 5 ones are 5. So when we will reach at the 1, we will stop. At last prime number should come. So we will write here factors of 40 is equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8 and 8 into 5 40. So these are the prime factors of 40. Let's take 50. Okay. So first we will write the number and at left side we will draw the line. Now 50 is even or odd? One's place is 0. So it is even number. So it can divide by 2. Bigger number है, नहीं आता, no problem. 50 को 2 से divide करके देख लो. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. 0 we got the 0 remainder. So 2 25s are 50. 25 2s are 50. Among these 2 and 25, which is the prime? 2 is a prime. So which side we will write this 2? Left side. So write 2 here at left side and 25 down. 25 2s are 50. 2 25s are 50. Again 25. Now 25 is even or odd? It is the odd number. So 2 से divide नहीं हो सकता. 3 से divide हो सकता है. Let's check the divisibility of 3. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 cannot divide by 3. So 5. Yes. One's place is 5 or 0. Yes, 5 is there. So 25 can divide by 5. And we knows very well 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 into 5 25. Now we reach at the prime number. So 5 has how many factors? Only 2. 1 and 5 itself. So we will write here 5 ones are 5. So write factors of 50 is equal to 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. 2 into 5 into 5. So let's see. 2 5s are 10 and 10 5s are 50. We got the answer. So these are the prime factors of 50. Now same numbers in multiplication method. We'll find the factors, prime factors of 40 by using multiplication method. So first we will break this 40 into two numbers. First we will see we can break. Even number है so 2 से break हो सकता है. 2 20s are 40. 2 20s are 40. Then once again we will check which is the composite number. 20 is the composite number, so we will underline the 20. And 2 we will write as it is, and once again we will break this number. Now we will check once again it is composite or prime. It is the composite number. Okay, so and it is the even number, so it can divide by 2, and 2 10s are 20. Once again 2 20s are 40, 2 10s are 20. 10 is a composite number and 2 and 2 are the prime numbers. So let's write again 2 into 2 as it is. This 2 we will write as it is, and जिसके नीचे underline है जो भी number composite है that we will break down. Now 10 we can break into 2 into 5. Okay, now let's check any composite number is remain here. No, 2 is a prime, 2 is a prime, this 2 also prime, and 5 is also prime. So the factors of 40 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2, 4 into 2 8, and 8 into 5 40. So we got the answer. So these are the prime factors of 40. Now we will take 50. Okay, now we will break this 50 into two numbers. First it is even or odd, it is the even number, so 2 से divide हो सकता है. Yes, and we know that 2 25s are 50. We break 50 into two numbers. 2 into 25. Now 25 is a composite number, 2 is a prime number. So we will write 2 as it is, and we will break 25. Now 25 के factors 5 into 5 25. 5 5s are 25. So 2 into 5 into 5 are the factors of 50. 2 5s are 10 and 10 5s are 50. So these are the prime factors of 50, and this is the multiplication method. By multiplication we can find the prime factors of that any number. We can find out the prime factors of any number. Let's find the prime factors of 100. 100. Now 100 little big number is there. No problem. First we will check even or odd. It is the even number. 0 है ones में. It can divide by 2. Big number है. No problem. Easily you can divide. Divide 100 by 2. 2 5s are 10. 0 0, and this 0 we will carry up. 50. 2 50s are 100. So write here 2 multiplied by 50. 2 50s are 100. Now which is the composite number? 50. So underline it the composite number. Now is equal to 2 we will write as it is, multiply by. We will break this 50. 50 को break करो. Yes. 2 25s are 50. Now which is the composite number? 25. So once again we will write as it is the prime number. 2 into 2. Now we will break this composite number. 5 into 5. Okay. 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Now let's check any composite number remain. कोई भी composite number है? नहीं है. So these are the prime factors of 100. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5 20, and 20 into 500. So these are the prime factors of 100. Now this was the multiplication method. Once again we will find the prime factors of this 100 by using the division method. 100. Okay, we will draw the line at left side. Okay, now it is the even number, so it can divide by 2. Okay, 2 50s are 100. Prime numbers at left side. 250. 2 50s are 100. 50 2s are 100. Then draw the line. Even or odd? Yes, 50 is a even number. So 2 25s are 50. 25 2s are 50. 25 2s are 50. Now whose turn? Again 25's turn. Now 25 is even or odd? It is the odd number. At last 5 is there. So we know 5 5s are 25. 5 is a prime number. We reach at the prime number. So what we will write? 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. So factors of 100 are 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. See, these are the factors of 100. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5 20 and 20 into 500. See, both are the same. Yes, 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So, two methods are there. This is the division method and this is the multiplication method. So, prime factorization means prime factorization is to write a number as the product of its prime numbers. We will breaking up a number into the prime factors and every composite number can be expressed as a product of a prime. So, thank you students.